So I just checked that one. Final thing. So you see here, there's some wear on the tire, a little bit more wear here than here. Here it's still treads. Here it's almost no treads anymore. So the wheel is too much on the inside. Here. The same thing over here. More treads here and here. It's a little bit better here, but you can see it's starting to wear out on the side. So what we're gonna do, and the tire is starting to crack a little bit here and there. That's from a rock, something like that. Wheel spin's perfect. We're just gonna make sure there's a little bit more of a toe out, just a little bit. That will solve that wear problem. So I'm just gonna clean it up a bit. You can see it's a bit dirty. That makes it easier to turn. The little arm. The track rod. It's called a track rod. To do that, we're just gonna make a little mark so we can actually tell how much. We'll take this up and we'll mark it right about here. So now we can see when you turn it in, turn it to the right, you close up the distance here and you give more toe in. If you turn it out to the left here, then you give more toe out. So it's really easy. Just a minor adaptation. If I get the right wrench, at least for here I have the right one. Oh, it's a 13 here, and this will be a 21, I suppose. Before we turn it, this one's gonna spin. We wanna make this loose, like this. Just pinch it, put it over here. Doesn't matter. And now this one can spin, you see, else it will get torced and it will crack over time, so you don't want that. So dust seal for the oil bearing here, the oil seal here of the track rods, the steering housing, where all the magic happens, the power steering housing. How do you say it? Something like that. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Just gonna find 21. And it's over there, up. Up. That's the Always put your tools back so you don't get frustrated if you don't find anything. Something. 15 and a 21. Or it could be a 22. Well, now we don't have to get it twice. That's 21, whatever. So yeah, this one. This is a separate. It's not a bowl. It's whatever. You know what it is. You have to loosen this one. And make sure you get the this one over here a bit to the left, give a little bit toe out. So let's do that. We have to smack it like this. In an ideal world, we would hold this one. You can put the range on 2. It's also 21. Well, I'll do that. It's even easier then. Twenty-one. And I have a second. Yes, I do. But when it's a long time ago, then it will not just come apart like this, you see? So we'll have to smack it. Or what we can do is place 21 here. And the 2 wrench trick. More leverage. Yep, that's a good one. And just give it a little bit of power. Oh, sweet. So now this one's loose. That was enough, I think. Now we can see it. If I turn this one, I didn't mark it correctly. It was like this, so it doesn't matter. Up. Yep. Yeah. So if you can see the wheel, let's get you in the picture. If I turn the wrench to the left, you see that's toe out. If I turn it to the right, that's toe in. Didn't move a lot, but that's what makes the magic happen. So we're gonna this one like this, up. The bolt, you know what, didn't move, so it's still in almost the same. It's in the same position. So we know we have to move it up just a little bit, like that. Now we have to change. We have to tighten it again, but it cannot move. Yeah, it broke loose. Nice. So